Hello everyone. When you offend someone or hurt someone, you apologize sincerely. An apology is a way of expressing your feelings or remorse over something you must have done or said to a healthy person. It's a way of repairing broken friendships. However, the narcissist doesn't think of apologies in this manner. They don't see why they should apologize. After all, they're never wrong. When the tide turns against them and they're forced to apologize, they give out fake apologies. Here are 6 fake apologies which the narcissist uses. But before that, please help us by clicking that like button below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any interesting updates in the future. Number 1. I'm sorry that you... This is one fake way in which the narcissist apologizes. Once you see a person start an apology in this manner, know that they're not sorry for their deeds, but they're trying to push the blame on you even if they're the ones that committed the offense. They're just trying to justify the reason why they did what they did, so please don't fall for it. Number 2. You know I. These kinds of apologies are also known as nothing to apologize for. The narcissist uses this kind of apology when he wants to talk you out of the way you feel. Remember, the narcissist doesn't do anything that he will not gain in. Therefore, once the narcissist comes to you with this kind of apology, know that there's something they want. Don't fall for such cheap tricks. Number 3. I guess I. This is one tricky way the narcissist makes you believe that they've apologized for their wrongdoings without you knowing that they're only expressing their thoughts on the matter. The apology has to do with actions, and someone who wants to apologize must show action, not guessing, which means he's not sure of what he wants to do. Don't be fooled. This kind of apology might even go with the word apology, but it rarely depicts its true meaning. They never honestly say they're sorry. They merely state that they guess they owe you an apology. As a result, this expression is meant to confuse you since they beat around the bush. Number 4. All those times. This kind of apology is termed as the one that fits all. It's a somewhat indefinite and general form of apology, and it's never intended to let you know what it is mainly that they're apologizing for. You cannot consider this a genuine apology because it doesn't indicate that the narcissist knows what they're apologizing for. They must be saying this to get you to keep quiet or wipe the slate clean. Do not allow yourself to be fooled by these kinds of apologies. Number 5. Apologies that go in this way are termed as whitewashing apologies. The essence of the apology is to mitigate the level of harm done by offering a self-effacing posture without actually coming out to accept the action's consequences. The narcissist makes use of this apology style because he wants you to feel that he cares. Beware of such fake apologies. Number 6. I was told to apologize. Apologies are supposed to come from the heart of the person who erred, but stating that someone else compelled you to apologize means that you didn't even come to that conclusion by yourself, but instead, you're here based on instructions, and as such, you may not even mean what you're saying. Well, what did you think about this video? I hope that you've enjoyed my explanation, and please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And thanks for watching.